women are familiar with the pain, cramps during their menses, their periods. And when they exercise, many of them may feel increased discomfort, some cramps, some tummy ache. But there is a question whether one should lift heavy weights, do heavy weight exercises during periods or not, because a belief system exists that when you do heavy weight exercises during the menstruation, you may not be able to become a mother, conceive, give birth to children, and may suffer from infertility. Today, I, Dr. Puja Dewan, on my YouTube channel Dr. Puja Dewan, Gynae Chat, am present here to break this myth, confirm this fact, debate on it. To those who are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates of this kind. The truth is that exercise should be done during menses. Not heavy but mild exercise. Exercise that is comforting to you, up to the level of your tolerance. But now I must visit the main topic, that doing exercise in the form of lifting heavy weights is detrimental, bad, in terms of your becoming a mother, conceiving a baby and childbirth. This, I must admit, is completely false. A myth. Let us talk about those women sports persons who are in the field of heavy weightlifting, who are wrestlers. Don't they become mothers? Of course they do. Have we not seen it? Of course we have. So this is completely proven to be false, that if you lift heavy weights during your periods, you will not be able to become a mother. Let me also share with you a statistics that those women sports persons who have even performed at the international level, there is no difference in their performance, in their breaking of records, whether they were menstruating or not menstruating. Surprising, isn't it? Yes, there is a slight difference in the discomfort level, but not in their performance. It is at par. Such updates will be available on this channel. I, Dr. Puja Dewan, am also available on the Instagram health channel. Those who have watched this video and have liked it, do put in a like, subscribe to this channel, share it with others, put your comment in the comment section, and if you have any query, don't shun away from posting it. Thank you.